Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make real cotton candy using an easy method. First, gather your cotton candy machine and all your ingredients. Make sure your machine is clean and ready to go. You can use special floss sugar or even hard candies for different flavors. This simple setup ensures you're prepared for a fun and delicious treat. Getting everything organized beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Once your machine is preheated, carefully add your floss sugar or crushed hard candies into the center spinning head. The machine will heat the sugar, causing it to melt and then spin out into fine, sugary threads. It's fascinating to watch the process unfold as the delicate strands start to appear. Be patient, and soon you'll see the magic happening right before your eyes. Now for the fun part, collecting your cotton candy. Take a paper cone or a stick and hold it horizontally just above the spinning head. Gently twirl the cone around the bowl, allowing the delicate sugar strands to wrap around it. Keep rotating and collecting until your cotton candy reaches the perfect fluffy size. It's like creating a sweet cloud. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade cotton candy. It's best eaten fresh, so savor every sweet, airy bite. After the fun, remember to let your machine cool down completely before cleaning it. A quick wipe down will keep it ready for your next sugary adventure. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.